Hello and welcome to our American System Service Virtual Advisories. I am Angie Vasquez and I'm going to help you in the unit number 6 of the Blue Book. The topics in this unit are description of people and places, and possessive adjectives, possessive nouns, and possessive pronouns. First of all, we are going to learn how to describe people in physical appearance and in personality. Let's see the question. The question for that describing people in physical appearance is, what does she look like? Remember that you can change the auxiliary verb for do and change, of course, the personal pronoun. So we can say, what do you look like? It is important that you remember that you can describe physical appearance for all the pronouns. The answer for this question can be with is and have. So in this case we have, she is tall, thin, and beautiful. And she has big eyes, long black hair. Now, for physical appearance, we can describe several items. Which ones? We have hair, the color, the shape, eyes, color and shape, or maybe the size, weight, if someone is fat or thin, height, if the person is tall or short, skin, what is the color of your skin? For example, mine is white. And of course, physical appearance is about what you can see. So you can say if someone is beautiful, if he's a woman, or handsome, if he's a man. Now let's move to the personality. The question to describe personality is, what or how is she like? Remember that you can change the to be verb and you can change the pronoun. What or how is he like? What are you like? You can change to be verb and pronoun. The answer for this question is just with the to be verb, no more. And we describe things that we can't see. So it's not possible to see, you have to meet someone. The characteristics can be positive or negative. For example, in positive we have some examples. If someone is funny, if someone is interesting, or if someone is smart or very intelligent. In the negative one we have stingy, when someone doesn't want to spend the money in someone else, boring, or sloppy or distracted. So here we use just characteristics that we can see, and we need to talk to the person to know what is the way that he or she is. Now let's describe people's likes. What it means? Preferences. Let's see the question. For likes, we use the question, what does she like? Remember, as I told you before, that you can replace the auxiliary verb does for do and change the personal pronoun. So, for example, it can say, what do you like? And it is really common. Now, answer the question. What does she like? Let's see the preferences. She likes dancing on Fridays. Or she likes eating ice cream. In that case, are things that the person really likes to do. So we use do and pronoun and after like to describe preferences. And finally, we will see how to describe places. To describe places, we use the to be verb, but with the pronoun it, or replacing it for the name of the place. For example, what is Bogota like? We can answer, Bogota is, or it is, cold, interesting, and exciting. It is romantic, old, and safe. For example, if we say, what is Cartagena like? Cartagena is old and new or modern at the same time. So remember, to describe places to use the to be verb and then the name of the place that you are describing to. Of course, like is a verb. As you can see about preferences, I like dancing. But it is really important that you understand that we use like also to compare, to express how a person is in a physical appearance or in their personality. As an activity, I suggest you to select one person that you know, for example, your best friend or your mother or your sister, and describe his or her. For example, you can say what is his or her physical appearance and his or her personality. Of course, you can select one place, for example, San Andres, and describe it for using adjectives for places. It is important that you remember you have to go to your activities in your branch and to practice and do the exercises of speaking and listening from your workbook and your student book. It was the unit number 6 of the Blue Book. These are the American System Service Virtual Advisories. I am Angie Vasquez.